quarantine evening to get into my flower beds. I bet some of you guys are doing the same. We're gonna have some pretty days where we got lots of time, but I wanna make sure that you're taking care of your bodies as you're doing it. So, we can get down on the ground the same way we do in class. I've got my kneeler here, right? So I'm gonna stand next to it. I'm gonna take my knee back. I'm gonna hold on here and take my knee down. Boom. Now, there's hardly any way to do the garden without bending over, but the closer you get to the ground, the easier you can, the better it is going to be on your spine. And what we want to avoid is this. This is going to take you into the house hurting. You want to keep that hip hinge. See how I've got my hip hinge? And I'm going to lean over like this, but I'm not going to lean like that. And I'm going to have my arms support me as I reach and get the garden debris out, right? Feels so good to be out here. I'm having a blast. So as I collect the debris and my thing gets full, now it's time to get up. So as I'm working, before I get up, as I'm working, I don't want to sit back and curl. I want to stick my butt out. It's going to feel a little silly, but you're going to feel a lot better at the end of the day. So it's time to get up. So this gives us an opportunity to use a little bit of our arm strength. So I'm going to press back to my toes, inhale, exhale, and just kind of shove myself up. And then press up to stand. Try to keep my spine as upright as possible the whole time. Now I've got to dump this thing of debris. How am I going to do that? Well, I got to squat to get it, to keep my spine nice and straight. So you can see from the side view, I've got a nice wide stance here. I'm going to kneel, stick my butt out, pick up my garden debris, dump it in. So that's just a couple of tips on how to take care of yourself while you're taking care of your garden, while you've got so much time these days, and that'll keep you in shape until we can get back into the studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at Pilates Village.